In this video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone is not vibrating when silent mode is on. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on sounds and haptics. Now here select haptics. Now in this menu, make sure you have selected either always play or play in silent mode. Now go back to the previous menu. Now here you should see several different types of alerts including ringtone, text tone, new mail and all the others. You need to go through them one by one and then tap on haptics. Now make sure you have selected default option here. You can also select a different one. Just make sure you haven't selected none option for any of these alerts. After reviewing all the alerts, go back to the previous menu. Now scroll up and then tap on accessibility. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and then tap on touch. Now here you will need to scroll down again and make sure this vibration toggle is turned on. If it's already on, you can turn it off and then turn it back on. Now this controls vibration for all the alerts on your iPhone. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply restart your iPhone and hopefully that will solve your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.